episode, and today you may wonder what I'm doing. I'm starting playing Ratchet and Clank. It's the before the Nexus, which is actually BTN. It's actually free for Android devices. I don't know if it's free for iOS. I'm not sure, but let's get straight to it. Okay. Whoa. Oh gosh, I'm in a fight already? Well, I guess everything starts as a fight. Am I supposed to jump for that one? Wait. Alright, let me try again. I'm kind of done nervous because it gets very slow. Ooh, you can move. I wanna get all the coins out of oh god. Yay. I'm getting all the coins that I can get. I wonder what it goes for. Alright, so let's just ooh, I thought there was a monster already here. What is it? Eat a bag of rocks up there. Yeah, how can I reach it? I can reach both of them. Oh man, that's so cool. Oh man. So yeah, this is kind of new to me. It's kind of cool as well, but it's not what I kind of expected. Oh, what was that all about? I was like so far away. Okay, so I did get. So let me just go over there. What can I do? I want oh, this is kind of cool. Wait, no, get back. I want this kind of gun. What can I get from that? No. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay. What is this? I only have 130. Oh, this one looks so awesome. That one looks even cooler, but I kind of want this one. So I'm gonna work hard for that one. Alright, so let's get back. Move back, Ratchet. Alright, get it. Go. Yeah, whatever. I already know what to do now. Oh, I can't believe you can do that. Oh gosh! I know what to do in this part. You don't have to tell me. Oh gosh! What is that? What is that over there? Oh man, a lot of explosions are happening right now. Oh my gosh, what is happening right now? Oh no! No! I died. Well, that was kind of weird because they were like shooting everywhere, like from everywhere. Alright, so let's do it again. Yeah, I know what to do now. Got it. Oh, I see. Get over here. Let's get all of this. Alright, jump! Oh man, this is kind of awesome now. think I'm getting used to it, but it's kind of also creepy because this level was so creepy last time. Oh my gosh! Yeah, bam! And that. I didn't mean to do that, but oh. No! Oh man, is there a way to re-heal on this game? Whoa. That was embarrassing. Alright, let's go again. Let's see, what do we have? No, I won't need that. Cause this time. It was so creepy last time, like so creepy. Wait, I don't know anything. Right, let's just stay. Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? I have no idea what just happened. My tablet goes like that every time that it's. Oh gosh. Ooh, I wonder if I fall down there, will I live? No, it's not gonna work. I tried that many times, but actually this is just the first time I tried. Oh gosh, not this level. Alright. Get the bar rifle out. I have a couple of bullets, so I don't have that many. Oh gosh. I should have blocked it. No, that was like that scared me a lot. You guys should hear my heartbeat right now. I can beat you, heart. Whatever, guys. You actually saw if you guys saw the PlayStation edition, how it's actually done, you may notice that guy that says that it's not like Ratchet can be avoided like a superhero or something, because he's like, what's hard to explain, but you guys get the jinx. Okay. Hiya. No, move. Think I got a good idea. Oh gosh. Oh, this is gonna get intimidated. Thing is so freaky. Wait, do I have enough money to buy the gun that I wanted? Or I still need more? Still need more. 400. I only have. I need 400. Ooh, these are awesome. Now what could that? Okay. Is there like more type of? Ooh, can you buy armor in this game? Yeah, you can. Ooh, that's so much money, dude. Dude, like so much money. Alright. Oh, this is kind of freaky. So freaky, like so freaky. I do recommend like a safety patrol on this level before you even start this. I think I already know what to do here, guys. Let me just get down over here. I was so intimidated at first, but then it turned out much worse than I expected. Oh gosh, not again. I hate pop-ups. Intimidated. Alright, let's go. Ooh, this green box right there told me where I'm gonna end. I only have 49 ammo, so I'm not gonna end good. Oh gosh. I can just kill. Oh no! I thought this would never happen again. I was wrong. Oh gosh, shoot. Ooh, that guy died. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm good right now. Well, not that good as I expect. Then I roll my moment and then I die. And oh no! Oh gosh! Oh man, that's what is this? Ooh, magnetism. So I got the magnet. Okay. So I don't think I get what I'm supposed to do. Oh wait, would they just get to me? Oh no. Oh cool, that's so awesome. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna make it. I knew that thing was. I knew once you beat the boss, you never can beat the boss. Well, what can I buy? What? Ooh, I can get one. Not really, nothing. But I already got that thing, so I don't need it. I'm just trying to get the gun that I actually want. So I'm just gonna keep going and doing my way. Speed zone. I'm gonna get you out of this world. Go. Yeah. Oh gosh. Almost. Well, this is getting embarrassing. Whee! Not this level. No. I only have 13 ammo. I don't think I can. Wait, pals. Can I get more ammo? Can I get more ammo? Can I get more? Alright, so I got 100 ammo. How much coins did I wasted? Let's get back. So I have 100 ammo. Let's go. Yeah. You take that and that. Hurry up. No, I died. How did I die? You kind of just used my money for something. How did I die? Ooh, that was 19. That was minus 13. So, according to my calculations, I got 655. Let's see. Yep. Always right. And it's going. I'm gonna beat you up, girl. Or whatever your name is supposed to be. I never played Ratchet and Clank PS4 edition because I kind of don't know how to record that way. But I'm just trying to do this. I'm trying to have fun. Well, I'm not having fun. I'm kind of having death moments right now. Oh gosh, no. I'm getting so much coins. No, when I hear this music, I know I'm getting to this place. Like, gun time. Thank you very much for the money. Yeah. Yay. Oh, gosh. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have to stop here. If you did enjoy, I hope you did. But if you didn't, I'm so sorry. So sorry. But if you did enjoy, hopefully you guys did. And if you already noticed, stay well. Peace.